Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your AirPods Pro 2nd generation with the USB-C to your Windows laptop. First of all, we have to open this case, click and hold this button, and wait until this indicator starts blinking like that. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So keep that case open, put it close to your laptop, and then just go to the settings, open it. Here we have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Click right here to accept, then tap to add device. Select the Bluetooth. Now just wait until they pops on the list. And here just select your AirPods. It appears as the headphone for some reason, but as you can see, when you connect them you will find the original name. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.